Let's go, everyone! Today we're unboxing this USB-C to USB adapter by Apple. So here's what the package looks like. USB-C on one end and regular USB on the other end. This is for camera, microphones. Need that adapter since my MacBook does not have a regular USB port. Right, here we go. So I actually opened it earlier, but this is what it looks like. Nothing too exciting there. And then comes in this cardboard paper holder, and just pull it out. And there you have it, USB on one end, USB-C on another. Thanks everyone, hope you're doing well. See you next time. Bye.